Get a little evaporative cooler action going here. A little wicking the water up with the towel there, and putting it over this so that you get some evaporative cooler, a little cooler. I need a thermometer so if I can prove that it actually does bring the temp down some with my Ghetto Fabulous 2-in-1. Right here's where my lines come out and go to the water loop. So that water loop's in there too, but I don't got it installed right now. I need to do that. Prototype. It's dropping from 20.6 on the 19.1. Just about a minute or two after turning the fan on from the prototype cooling box. It's dropping it, get some evaporative cooler action going, so I think it'll help keep it cooler, and the water loop will run out of the same box, the ice water, and cooling the air a little bit too. There it is.